YouTube channel, and today I'll do an unbox with you guys for the Universal Photography Kit that I recently bought. So my old standard was damaged, so I was trying to fix it by using a tape. It's damaged and it's broke, so RIP to my old standard. And this is the reason why I had to buy this, because it has a standard that it's similar to the one that I used before. So I believe that they are the same. The only difference is the line all the way down on the legs. So yeah. And the thing that I found it's interesting, this one has all these things and it's for $20, which is not that expensive. So it has the standard and the adjustable grab, 3 lens, which is the fish eye, wild and micro lens. It has also LED, which is very interesting, and the remote and the travel bag, and it's able to work with most of the smartphones. So I'm gonna use it with my iPhone 8 Plus, which it will be enough actually to fit in this area. So let's open it. Is how it looked like after I open it. So you see the standards here, and oh nice. So this is like, looks like iron. Yeah, this is like plastic. Yeah, it's like really tough to move, which is really good. I believe it's much better than the one that I had before, which is my old standard. And here is the remote. Let's take this off. So this is the adjustable grab where you can put your phone. So let's see. Oh, it's really tough actually. So it can actually hold your phone really good. And as you see here, these things will hold your phone like very well, which is really good. And this is the remote, and say camera 360, and the wheel. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna use it with actually Apple, which is iOS. So this is the remote. And let's get the LED light. Oh, it's so skinny. Okay. Wow, it's actually good. I thought it would be like not that strong, but it's actually cool. And this is the micro lens here. Let's open it and see how it looks like. Okay, so I actually use this to take pictures for really small distance. And here is the fish eye lens, which is 180. It's actually good. And by the way guys, I'm using right now while I'm recording the fish eye, which is another brand, this is the bag. It's actually good and soft. So I can put the stand inside, which is really cool actually. So I didn't have to carry all these things. I didn't have to put all the small items inside and carry the stand along. I can put it inside too. And of course you're gonna get this USB charger for the underweight, so you can charge the flashlight. Yep. And here is the thing that I can put my phone on it and see how it's like. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay, I got it now. So I have to put this first, and after that I can put this. Interesting. Okay, so I think I can use it like this to set the phone, like straight or on the other side. So let's try this. It's actually really cool. It's much better than my old standard. Flashlight in. So I didn't have other phone. So let's see. This is my power bank, and let's see if it's fit. Oh, it's actually good. Yeah, it's can fit. I mean, my iPhone 8 Plus, it's a little bit bigger than this. So this is like the iPhone 8, maybe. I believe it's the same size or dimensional shape, but yeah. Wow, I told you guys it's like really hard to take it off. So this is the light, and it comes with 3 levels. So this is like so bright actually. So this is like the weakest, and this is the strongest light, and this is the middle. It's pretty good actually. It's really good. And unfortunately this is won't connect it to my iPhone 8 Plus because I didn't have the aux on my iPhone. So I believe I'm gonna make up an idea and I'm gonna show you guys in the future how like I'm gonna do that. So even though I still have to use this to plug it in with my iPhone. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and if you have any question about the product, please write me the question in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and share the video. Thank you.